If you're underwhelmed with other property management services out there, it's likely because you're not getting the proper support or guidance over the long term. JWB has been perfecting our processes since 2006 and has an entire team dedicated to your portfolio's success. With multiple departments working cohesively and working together, you'll never experience service like this anywhere else. With our award-winning property management services, we take care of marketing, where we market and advertise your properties to target the right future residents. Optimal rental rates, where we maximize your rental rates while managing your geographically distant properties, so you can live where you want without worry. Rent collection, where we collect and deposit monthly rental payments on time. Maintenance, where we manage routine and emergency maintenance and handle any resident situations that may arise. Reporting, where you have 24/7 access to your client portal. You can track your portfolio's monthly income and expenses day or night. Legal compliance, where we make sure your properties are up to date and in compliance with housing regulations and property laws. We serve over 1,300 clients around the world, managing 4,500 properties and counting. Even better, we've delivered more than $49 million in passive income to our clients. It's time to take control of your future. Let JWB work hard for your investment so you don't have to.